Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Kataoka ring. So they wrapped it way better than I tried to rewrap it. So they wrapped it way better. This has already been opened and unboxed by me, but I want to show you what it looks like. Very nice. Very nice box. Thank you, Kataoka, New York. Treated us very well when we got this engagement ring from Kataoka. All right, here we go. Here we go. Very nice box. Wow. Wow. Kataoka jewelry is amazing. Handmade by Kataoka-san in Japan. This is like the rose Milgrain ring. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you again to everyone over at Kataoka. Really nice engagement ring. Cool. Let me know what you think of this engagement ring in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. Highly recommend Kataoka-san. They are awesome. All right, everyone. Take care. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.